Hello guys and welcome back to another video. In this video you'll learn exactly how to build a custom cart page using the Divi theme. So I will walk you through how to add a custom and replace the old cart page into this new one and add a special table and the cart totals and edit the buttons and the colors to have it and set it up to become your cart page. So without further ado, let's go back to the dashboard and start working on our cart page. Okay, so before we're gonna dive into creating our custom cart page, let's visit the website and see how the actual cart page looks like. So we already have a shop page. Like if you want to watch the previous video in our Divi playlist, we already created this shop page and we already have like the custom product page as this one. And now we're gonna focus on building a custom product page, custom cart page, I'm sorry. So let's see the old cart page, how it looks. So this is the old one. And now we're gonna go back and add our new cart page. So before that, make sure that you have the Divi theme activated, like go to appearance, themes, make sure that you have Divi active. And also make sure that you have WooCommerce plugin activated and you already have some products to test. So you can add any like 1 or 2 products to test the cart page and test the all of the process. So after you've done that, let's go to Divi and then go to theme builder. I'm gonna close this one. Okay, and now we're gonna add a new template. So I'm gonna build a new template and we're gonna choose the cart page here in the template settings. So I'm gonna scroll down until I find WooCommerce pages. Then you're gonna find cart and then select it and then create template. Okay, make sure that you scroll up, save changes. This will be applied to the cart page and we're gonna add this global header already and a global footer. So like the header and the footer will be in our cart page. So it's the same. And then now we're going to focus on the custom body and we're going to add it. So add a custom body and we're going to build a custom body. Okay, so first I'm going to add a row, normal row. I'm going to add a heading. I'm going to call this one, for example, cart details. Let's center this one, go to heading, design heading text. I'm gonna keep it as H1 and semi-bold here. I'm gonna center it. And I'm gonna check, because the website, as we start building it, we already prepared the website sheet from the beginning. So we have each of the heading tag, we have its size. So we don't have to like come up with the new values. We already have values we need to respect, etc. We already also have the color sheet. So I'm just gonna follow this website sheet in order to complete our cart page. So I'm just gonna go with H1, which is 70. So let's keep this one 70, but I think 70 is too much for the cart page, but let me just go to the next one, H2, 43 for all the devices. So I'm just going to give it 43, and this will be applied also for the different devices, the mobile and the tablet, even without switching, because I'm using only one value. If you're using multiple values, for example, for the desktop you have 40, for the mobile you have 30, for the tablet maybe 25, you have to switch and change. But for our case, like we can, even if we change, it's kept 43. It's a fixed value, so we don't have to switch every time between the devices, and that's it. So I'm just gonna log in, and also I'm just gonna give the background color. So I already have that. So background color, I'm just gonna copy this one. Gonna go to the section, the blue, and then I'm gonna select background, and I'm gonna add this background color. Okay, good. Now for the next section, I'm gonna add a section, a 2-row or a 2-column section. So I'm gonna select regular. I'm gonna search for the one that have like a big or 75% column and then the rest for the second column. So I'm gonna choose, let me choose this one. And we can change that later. And for the first one, I'm gonna just WooCart products. And this is the table, and we're gonna customize this one. So this will be the table for the cart, like the cart table of our selected products or added to cart products. So let's just customize this one. So first, let me just like give a background the same as this one. So I'm just gonna go back to background, copy this one, background again. Okay, good. And for the table, let's customize and let's change these different colors. So first, I'm just gonna give the background to white background, so it gives like that contrast, you see. Okay, let's give this one. Okay, for the header, I would change it. Okay, I already have the color here, so I will take the header color. So I'm not like, I don't want, every time I build a website, I prepare my website sheet, so I don't have to lose time or guess what's the color I'm gonna choose. So already is like I'm just copy and paste and just move on. Then I can do my changes like if you want, but for my case, like everything is has to be clear from the beginning. Okay, so also I just want for the setting, I just want to give it some border radius. So let's search for border, and I'm gonna give it some border radius, like maybe 15 would be fine. Okay, good. Now I'm gonna just change the product titles because it seems like I don't like that blue. Just gonna give it some weight. I'm gonna change it to black. Also for the price, you can customize it. You can change it to black as well. Okay, for this one, the fields background layer, I would like to have that gray color. Okay. I already have, I think I have a gray, I don't have a gray color, but let's just adapt with that. Okay. The text color, I would like to keep it black to have that visibility will be more visible. And also I'm gonna give it some border radius or border around that corner. Okay, good like that. Okay, I'm satisfied with the subtitle and the price. So the price looks more visible. So I'm just gonna hit OK. I may change the apply button just before, so I'm just gonna go. So the coupon code placeholder is good, but I don't like the apply button, so I'm just gonna click on the pen here, and it's gonna take me to the design of that button. So I'm just gonna hit yes. Okay, good. And for the text color or the background, let's start by the background. I would like the background to gonna copy the logo color, and I'm gonna use that on the apply coupon button. So I'm gonna click on the pen here. Okay, it's yes. So I'm just gonna give it a background. Okay, apply. And also I'm gonna change the text color to black, but I really don't want to have that. Or we can keep it like the border width. I don't want to have that black border, so I'm just gonna give it the same color as the background of the button. So I'm just gonna hit OK. Okay, good. And now let's jump to the update cart. So I'm just gonna give it like the update cart. I'm just gonna give it some border radius. Okay, what is it? Border. Okay, here it is. So I'm just gonna give it some like the same border radius as the apply button. I think it's 7. Yeah, it's 7. So for this one as well, it has to be 7. Okay, 7. Good. Okay, good. I'm satisfied. Like you can do other customization if you want. You can change the different colors if you want. But like for me, I'm just gonna keep it as it is. Maybe I will just change this remove button to become like, no, I don't want to have a background, but I would like to have like that red cross or red remove icon. I'm just gonna save changes, and also like the size, I want to just increase or have a custom gutter between the different size. Okay, good, like that. Let's keep it one. And for the second column, I would like to have like the woo total, woo cart total. Okay, woo cart total. Okay, good. I think it's a little bit sticky to the other section, so I'm just gonna give this one, for example, to make this bigger. And for the gutter, let's just keep it 2 to have like this little spacing between. And also for the second column, I just want to have like that white background to match the background of the table. So what we can do, we can edit the row and we can select the second column here, and you can scroll down until you find background and then add the color, or you can select just the white color like that. And here it is, like you have that white background. Also, I can add some spacing in inside, like 10 padding at the right and the left. And I may add some padding at the top, like maybe 50 or even 30, like. And at the bottom, I would like to have that padding as well. Maybe I would have an extra padding, like 80. And okay, I want to have also border radius. So I'm just gonna go to border. I'm gonna add 15 here, like to match the like the rounding corner at the first column. And also I would do, to match this one, I would add a top border, which will have something like that. Like it will add some kind of styling to it. So you can change. So I'm just gonna change it to the color of the header to match the table as well. I'm gonna save, and let's just customize the second part. So for me, like the card total and the table is clear to me. Like we can, for example, keep the like the table. Let's have a table color. No, not table color, but like a border and black, maybe. The table cell, the table row. No, as well. Okay, table cell. Let's go and see that. Okay, I really don't like that black color, so I may just like keep it as it is. So I'm just gonna decline the saving. I'm just gonna go back and try to customize only the button. So I'm gonna turn this on. I'm gonna give it the same background color as apply now. So I'm gonna go back to my sheet. I'm just gonna copy the hex code. And the button background, I'm gonna add this one. Okay, good. The text should be black. And the border as well should be the same color. So, okay, good. Like you can customize it until it looks pretty good, but maybe for my case, like if we change it to the header color, I think it would look more professional, I think. No, 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 no. Maybe we have like the add to cart. Okay, let me see. Add to cart, we have add to cart in yellow. Have the logo, have the header, review store. Okay, let's try just the add to cart color. Maybe it works with this. No, not this one. not so much appealing to me. In this case, proceed to checkout. Okay, good. I think this one, yeah, looks good. And I'm just gonna save. Okay, apply coupon, update cart. Maybe if we just like change as well the apply coupon to match this one, because I don't really want to have like in my page a lot of colors. Like it creates that it's not so clear, and it makes me like it makes someone when looks at different prices or the different colors makes him like he can't make a decision, or he's how can I say it, he's like he can't find, or he's not like it's annoying. Yes, it's annoying to see. I lost the word. It's annoying like to see a lot of colors. Like it's recommended by designers and by experts. They said like maximum, for example, for the logo, you don't have to have more than 3 colors. Maximum like 2 colors is optimal, is the best recommended. 1 color is good, but like they say, sometimes an optimal number of colors would make it more alive, but a lot of colors makes it more annoying and distracting. Yeah, I got the word. It's distracting, and yeah. So I'm satisfied right now with the cart page, so I'm just gonna save, and let's see how it looks outside in the real example, the real page website. So I'm just gonna close this one. Make sure that you scroll up and save changes. If you don't do that, you may lose all the design that you did. Okay, so after all the changes are saved, I'm gonna visit my website and I'm gonna add to cart the product. So I'm gonna go to shop. I'm gonna select any product that I like, for example, this one. I'm gonna click add to cart. And I have at the top this view cart. So let's view the cart. And here it is. Like you see, we have that new cart page. Like we can also come back and like there is a lot of spacing here. I don't really like, so I'm just gonna go back, scroll down. I'm gonna edit the body. Okay, let me just like go to the section design spacing. I don't want to have any spacing at the top, bottom, not any margin. Okay, good with me now. We already have also a padding, like with this section, the second section, we can also reduce that. Like we can, for example, at the top, we leave it at 10. And also for this one, we can just like, the width, I think we need to keep this one 100% as the other one, and this one should be 73, because like the row size in all the website is 73%, so it has to match all the details and all the sizing in the like in the all of the website. And then I'm just gonna save, and now let's just refresh the page. And here it is. I think our cart page is looking much more alive, has more like it's much better, etc. You can customize however you want right now. Like you have the ability to go back and keep your like make your own customization, make your own editing until your cart page looks sleek and modern. And yeah, that's it. So we came to the end of the video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you guys in the next video.